Look, if you clicked on this video, you're probably tired of being broke. You're tired of watching other people make money while you're stuck at a job that pays you just enough to survive, but not enough to actually live. And you want to know how to make $10,000 a month as fast as possible. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the actual step-by-step system that works. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how you can make 10K per month quickly in the best possible way. And by best, I mean quickest and easiest. My name's Fred, I'm in my early 20s, and I've built a business that generates thousands of dollars per day in profit, not revenue, actual profit that hits my bank account. And I didn't do it by getting lucky or having some rich parents, I mean, they're nurses, we come from the low middle class, or stumbling into some secret opportunity. I did it by following the exact system I'm going to share with you right now. The same system that's helped hundreds of other people go from 0 to 10K a month, or at least generate a side income. Some of my clients like Azar used it to get to $10,000 a month of recurring income in only 90 days of working with me, and later scaled past the $23,000 per month mark. So if you are serious about changing your financial situation, pay attention, because this is the most valuable information you're gonna hear all day. But feel free to ignore my advice if you want to stay broke. Here's the truth that nobody wants to tell you. Making $10,000 a month isn't actually that complicated. It's not some impossible goal that requires you to be a genius or have special connections. But most people never hit it because they're focused on the wrong things. They're trying to build complicated funnels and fancy websites and perfect branding, or even creating a revolutionary product when none of it matters. What matters is 5 simple steps. That's it. And if you execute these 5 steps consistently, you will hit 10K a month faster than you ever thought possible. Step 1 is your offer. This is the foundation of everything. Your offer is what you're selling, who you're selling it to, and how much you're charging. And most people mess this up from the start. They try to sell cheap products to broke people, or they try to sell something that nobody actually wants, or they underprice themselves because they're scared nobody won't buy. All of that is wrong. Here's what you need to do. You need to create a high-ticket offer, meaning something that costs at least $1,000, ideally $2,000 to $8,000. It can even be $10,000 or more. It needs to solve a specific painful problem for a specific type of person. Let me give you an example. Don't create a course about how to use social media. That's too broad, there's no clear pain, no clear outcome, and nobody's gonna pay thousands for that. Instead, create a consulting service or a course that helps real estate agents generate more qualified leads every month using Instagram. Can you see the difference? It's way more specific. It targets a specific person who's got money to spend, and it involves a specific problem that's costing them real money they don't know how to fix. They need more leads. That is a high-ticket offer. And when you charge $4,000 for it, let's say, and it takes you 10 hours of work, you're making $400 per hour. Do the math on that. You only need 3 clients a month to make more than $10,000. That's 1 client per week, and then you have an extra week off. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. The reason high-ticket offers work so well is because the math is in your favor. If you're selling a $20 product, you need 500 sales to make 10K. That's exhausting, I can tell you. But if you're selling a $2,000 service, you need 5 sales. So which one sounds easier? And here's the thing people don't realize. It's not actually harder to sell something for $2,000 than it is to sell something for $20. In fact, surprisingly, it's often easier because the people who can afford $2,000 are more serious, more committed, and easier to work with than the people who nickel and dime over $20. Like, trust me, you don't want to work with these people. They're gonna complain about fucking everything, and they won't even do the work. So step 1, create a high-ticket offer that solves a specific, painful problem for a specific audience that has money. If you can't think of what to sell, here's a simple framework. What skill do you have or knowledge do you have that other people need help with? Can you run Facebook ads? Can you edit videos? Are you good at photography? Can you write sales copy? Can you help people lose weight? Can you help businesses hire better employees? Can you help people be more confident? Can you help people fix their credit? Whatever it is, package it into a service or consulting program and charge premium prices for it. Don't be cheap. Don't undervalue yourself. Charge what fixing that problem is worth and deliver massive results. Step 2 is traffic and marketing. You have an offer. Now you need to get it in front of people who actually want to buy it. And this is where most people get overwhelmed because there's a million different marketing strategies and everyone's telling you to do something different. But here's the reality. To make a lot of money, you don't need to be on every platform. You also don't need a massive following. You don't need to go viral. You just need to get your offer in front of the right people consistently. That's it. The fastest way to do this when you're starting out is outbound marketing. That means you're actively reaching out to potential clients instead of waiting for them to come to you. Go on LinkedIn and find people who fit your target audience. Send them a message. Go on Instagram and DM people who could benefit from your service. Join Facebook groups where your ideal client hangs out and start conversations. This isn't complicated. You're just starting conversations with people who've got the problem you solve. You're not being pushy or salesy. You're genuinely trying to help them. And some percentage of those people are gonna wanna work with you. Here's a realistic number. If you reach out to 50 people per day with a personalized message, maybe 10 of them will respond. Out of those 10, maybe 2 or 3 will be interested in learning more. And out of those 2 or 3, maybe 1 will book a call with you. So you need to reach out to about 50 people to get 1 call booked. And if you do this 5 days a week, that's 250 reach outs, which should give you about 5 calls per week. And if you're decent at sales, you should close at least 1 or 2 of those. That's 1 or 2 high-ticket clients per week just from outbound marketing. Do you see how simple that is? Step 3 is sales. You got someone on a call. Now you need to close them, if it's the right fit, of course. And this is where people psych themselves out. They think they need to be some smooth-talking salesperson with all these fancy sales techniques. But selling high-ticket offers is actually pretty straightforward if you follow a simple structure. First, you ask questions and listen. Find out what their problem is. Find out what it's costing them. Find out what they've tried before. Why they haven't solved that problem yet. Just ask them questions and actually listen to their answers. Most people love talking about their problems anyway, so let them. Then once you understand their situation, if you see you can help them, you explain how your offer solves their specific problem. You don't need to go through every single detail of what you do. You just need to show them that you understand their problem and you have a clear path to get them the result they want. Paint the picture of what their life or business looks like after working with you. Make it real, make it tangible, and then talk about the investment when it's the right time. Don't be weird about the money, don't apologize for your price, just confidently tell them the pricing. If you've done everything else right, they'll either say yes and you'll get a client, awesome, or they will have objections that you can handle. The most common objection is I need to think about it, or I need to talk to my wife, or similar things. And the way you handle this is simple. It's always bullshit. You dig deeper, and then they will tell you the real objection. Maybe it's money, maybe it's time, maybe they just don't fully trust you yet. Whatever it is, you want to address that directly. Because they have a painful problem they need to solve, and without you, they're gonna go right back to having this problem and not knowing what to do. So don't let them leave the call without getting to the real issue. Because if you do, they're not gonna come back. The best time to close someone is right there on the first call when they're emotionally invested in solving their problem. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Step 4 is delivery. You closed the client, they paid you. Now, you need to actually deliver the results you promised. And this is where a lot of people overcomplicate things. They try to create these elaborate systems and processes that take forever. But in the beginning, delivery should be as simple as possible. You're trading your time and expertise for money. That's it. Don't try to automate everything right away. Don't try to create courses and templates and all that stuff. Just hop on calls with your clients and help them get results. That's all they care about, results. The key to delivery is to have a clear process that you follow every time. If you're helping people with Facebook ads, you should have a step-by-step system for how you set up your campaigns. If you're doing B2C, you're helping people lose weight, You should have a clear meal plan and workout structure. Whatever your offer is, systemize it so you're not reinventing the wheel with every single client. This makes delivery faster for you, and it makes results more predictable for them. And the more results you get for clients, the more testimonials you get, and the easier it becomes to sell your services to new people. Step 5 is scaling. Once you've proven your offer works, and you're consistently getting clients and delivering results, now you can start thinking about scale. And scaling doesn't mean working more hours. It means making more money without more time input from you. There's a few ways to do this. 1, you raise your prices. If you're consistently booked out and you're getting great results, charge more. Go from 2,000 to 3,000, then from 3,000 to 4,000, then 5,000, etc. Your time is valuable, and as you get better at what you do, you should charge accordingly. 2, you create group programs. Instead of working with people one-on-one, you work with them in a group setting. So instead of 5 one-on-one clients making you 10K, you have 15 group clients paying you 1,000 each, for example, making 15K for you. You're leveraging your time because you're helping multiple people at once. 3, you hire people to deliver the service for you. You focus on sales and client acquisition, and you pay someone else to do the fulfillment. This is how you build an actual business instead of just being self-employed. And 4, you create information products. Once you've worked with enough clients and you know exactly what works, you can package that knowledge into a course or a digital product that people can buy without your direct involvement. This is the ultimate form of scaling because you create it once and it sells forever. But don't make the mistake of creating a course before you've actually worked with real clients. You need to prove your system works in the real world first, and you don't want to spend 6 months building this fancy, elaborate course and then nobody buys it. What a waste of time. If you follow these 5 steps, you can go from 0 to $10,000 a month in 90 days or less. I've had some of my customers do that exactly. It's not an exaggeration. I've seen it happen over and over again. The people who fail are the ones who skip steps or don't execute properly or give up. They try to scale before they have an offer that works. They try to automate before they've delivered results manually. Or they give up after 2 weeks because they don't see instant results. Don't be that person. Making 10K a month is a game changer. It's 6 figures a year. It's enough to live comfortably, save money, invest, and actually enjoy your life. And it's completely achievable if you're willing to put in the work. And as long as you're following a proven step-by-step blueprint, it's not gonna take you decades of grinding. For some, it will only take 90 days of focused execution on the right activities. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.